I'm Chanel from the Lady Paint and Decor Company. I'm here at the Abode. So today I've done the worktop resin granite spraying, which has been brilliant. Highly recommend, especially if you are spraying kitchen units, because there's an additional service you can provide for your customers as well. I've done the woodwork spraying, the basic spraying for the ceiling and walls, the UPVC, and now the granite worktop spraying. Really good. Also, if you've got anyone working for your company, you can join together as a dual training. It's definitely needed if you want to build your services up. So since doing the training with Jamie at Abode, it has brought in more clients. Yeah, highly recommend. Not only that, but he's a great laugh and is amazing as well. And yeah, good round service.
Hi guys, it's Jamie from the Abode Academy, and today we are here with Kev, aka Paint Warrior. He's done an online course with us, and he's also done our UPVC spraying course. But what did you feel with the course? How did you find it?
I thought it was very sort of educational, something that I definitely needed to do because I thought I knew enough about these machines, and clearly I didn't.
So when you watched the method, the way I sprayed a room and how I prepped everything, was it something different to the way you were doing it?
Oh yeah, mate, you know what, it's completely different. I was definitely doing it backwards and I was spending too much time, but it just seemed to make so much more sense and made the job so much more quite simple.
So what sort of spraying have you done? Since I see you've done a few swimming pools and really big projects.
Yeah.
Can you tell a bit more about that?
Yeah, so we've done, we went in and done a load of, you know, the ranges, the big retail shops.
Yeah.
We've done a load of them. Yeah, like we've done a couple of swimming pools. Which honestly I don't think I would have been able to do if I didn't do the course. It's just knowing what to do, and once you know, it's easy, it's straightforward.
Well, knowledge is power, as they
Exactly.
say. Yeah, I mean, would you recommend the course to others?
Oh, definitely. I mean, if you want to get into it, you need to know what you're doing. That's, you know, and there's a lot of safety aspects that you need to understand about these machines. You know, some of the knowledge that you were saying, I would never have known none of that. I would just assume, you know, it's quite a straightforward thing, but it's not.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes there's a lot of people out there that say like you can get all the answers on YouTube, but have you know, as I always say, are all the answers there, and have you got time to go and do that? Like I always say to people, that my journey through spraying, it took me 2 years to fully understand how to spray, and the amount of money that I lost on the jobs trying to figure out the right way to do it, and then probably overthinking it most of the time, trying to spray every job. That's the other thing that I think definitely people go wrong with, is they try to spray every job, but not every job is a spray job.
No.
I think you've got to treat spraying as a tool. So like it's a tool that's in your tool bag, and you use it for some jobs, but not for others.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, and like, I don't think I'll ever put like the brush and roller down, but the spraying definitely comes in handy.
You'll never get rid of the brush and roller.
No, no. But even like little things like knowing what tip to use, that like I was going wrong for ages.
I mean the thing is with tips, I mean I got a box downstairs called the tip graveyard. Yeah. And it's like 1,000 tips in a box that don't get used.
Oh really? Yeah.
Because it's just, you find, like, I found 3 tips that work, and that's all I use. Yeah. There's so many other tips out there, but really, half of them to me are pointless. And again, it's just overcomplicating the job. Keep it simple, as I said. Yeah. We use a roller quite a lot of the time, and we add spraying into that. Well, thanks for coming in, mate. Really appreciate it.
No worries.
Thank you for your time.
Cheers, bud.